Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning movements along a supply curve, or it is also known as variation in supply or extension and contraction of supply. So what by movement along a supply curve? Movement means the supply sometimes rises, supply sometimes falls due to change in price only. Other factors affecting the supply will remain same. The cost of production, technique of production, goal of the firm. These are the other factors affecting the supply. This will not change. The supply changes. Sometimes there is rise in supply or fall in supply. It is due to change in price only, and it is called movement along a supply curve, or it is known as variation in supply, or it is known as extension and contraction of supply. So it includes two parts. One is extension of supply. What by extension of supply? Extension of supply means supply rises due to rise in price only. So due to rise in price, supply of the product increases, and that is called as extension of supply. Other factors will not change. Till then the supply increases due to rise in price. When the price of the product is more, the seller will supply more because he will get more profit. So that is called as extension of supply. Rise in supply due to rise in price only. This situation you have to show with the help of diagram. First you have to mark the axis. Then you have to label it. Here y-axis price and x-axis quantity supplied. Then you have to draw the one supply curve. So now assume that the price of the product is OP. What is the supply? You have to find out. This is a point A. Join it, you will get Q. Now you have to show rise in price from P to P1. What is the quantity supplied? This point you mark it as a B. Then join it. You will get Q1. So the quantity supply increase and price also increase. So there is rise in price from P to P1, and quantity supplied also increase from Q to Q1. So now what is the explanation? Quantity supplied is shown on x-axis and price on y-axis. SS is the supply curve. When the price is OP, quantity supplied, the beginning is OQ. Due to rise in price from OP to OP1, quantity supplied increase from OQ to OQ1. So there is a upward movement from point A to B, upward movement on the same supply curve from point that is A to B. This is A and this is B, from point to A to B on the same supply curve. This is called as extension of supply. Second part of it is contraction of supply. What by contraction of supply? The supply of the product falls due to fall in price only. Other factors affecting the supply will not change. So till then the supply is less due to fall in price. When the price of the product falls, seller supply less. Why? because you will not get more profit. Profit is the less, so the supply of the product is less. Other factors will not change. So this is called as contraction of supply. It is just opposite of extension of supply. So the same situation you have to show with the help of diagram. First you have to mark the axis and label it. This is the price and this is quantity supplied. Then you have to draw the supply curve. Now take the price OP. What is the quantity supplied? That is the where it touches, mark it as a A. This point is A. Now fall is there in the price of the product from OP to OP2. Fall. What is the quantity supplied? Where it touches the supply curve, join it to the x-axis. Now Q2. This point you mark it as a B. So downward movement on the same supply curve. So when the price is OP2, quantity decrease from OQ to OQ2. What is the explanation? Quantity supplied is shown on x-axis and price on y-axis. SS is the supply curve. When the price is OP, quantity supplied at the beginning is OQ. Due to fall in price from OP to OP2, quantity supplied decreased from OQ to OQ2. There is downward movement on the same supply curve from point A to B, and it is called as contraction of supply. So both extension and contraction of supply is known as movement along a supply curve or variation supply. Thank you.